I searched through YouTube, and when I was searching for pork tenderloins in Oklahoma Joe's Bronco, I really didn't see any that were hung. So I was like, maybe I'm missing some videos that aren't seen on phone, on the computer. But I searched, but they're usually just laid out on the cooking grate. So I thought, you know what? Let me put out a video with, hanging pork tenderloins. So I got 2 of them, pretty small ones, but that's how it comes in package 2, 1 package. So let's hang on the Bronco so you can see more of what this Bronco can do and how legit it is. So stay tuned. Look at that. Looking nice. I seasoned it with the Killer Hogs barbecue rub. Beautiful. Alright, so my temp is around 250. I'm going to try to keep it around there. So I have it set up right now. 1, all the way open. I don't have any wood chunks or any wood to place in there, but if you do, go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna hang it right there, and then the other one right there. All right, so if you don't feel comfortable, if you want to do hang, you can double chain it, add another hook, get it going. But if it does fall, I'll let you know. I'll bring you, I'll show you and see what it looks like if it does. But if it doesn't, then we're all good, right? But yeah, that's what it looks like hanging. Oh yeah, isn't that beautiful? All right, so let's get to cooking, and it shouldn't take too long at all. About 35 minutes have passed, so let's check out the pork tenderloins. Oh yeah, they're coming along. Look at that. Looking good. Not done yet, but coming along. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep rolling, and then I'll check back maybe another 25-30 minutes, and then we'll see where they're at. I stuck a probe in one of the pork tenderloins, so that one's sitting at 145. So that's what it looks like. Oh, fogging it up there. There we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna probe that one just to make sure that one's sitting right. And then I'm gonna slice it to them, let them chill for a bit, and then see what it tastes like. But yeah, looks pretty good, don't you think? Killer Hogs rub right there too. Yeah, so let me get those off, and then see how they taste, and give you my thoughts at the end. All right, I'm ready to cut into tenderloins, and they look good. So let's just get it right down the middle. Oh yeah, tell you, juicy. Yeah, look at that. Not dry at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready to grab on this right here. Alright. Well, here it is. Tell you what, it was about The cook itself was an hour and 10 minutes. So the temp of the Bronco stayed around roughly around 250. And I mean, that Bronco, it just doesn't fail you. I mean, it does its job. But let's see. Oh yeah, tender, man. This is awesome. You know, awesome. And I'm surprised that the YouTubers who do have Broncos, that they didn't actually, you know, haven't posted the videos of them hanging them. So, you know, seeing this, if you want to hang, you know, your pork tenderloin, go ahead and do that. Seeing this video, you know that you're gonna have great success with it. You know, set it at the temp that you want, add the wood that you want, and it's gonna be awesome. You know, and if you want to daisy chain it, you know, add 2 hooks to 1 tenderloin. If you feel like, you know, it's gonna, you know, fall down from the hook, you know, do that. If you feel that you don't want to have, you know, you want to have the heat diffuser on, go ahead and, you know, keep the heat diffuser on too. You know, if you don't want your meat, if you feel that you can have your meat fall into the charcoal basket, so go ahead and do that also. You know, leave it on. But if not, just let it roll like how you see in this video. You'll do great. Trust me. It's just another thing that this Bronco can do, and you know, it's just always awesome to cook on it. It never fails. It's great, and I mean, juicy, tender. I mean, breaks away so easy, man. Telling you, trust me. Go out and get that Bronco. You're gonna be cooking up some delicious food, and then using that Killer Hogs rub. Again, beautiful, beautiful. Why don't you get you one? Oh, look at that. Alright, another fine cook by this Bronco right here. I hope that you learned something off this video and know that, you know, you can hang your pork tenderloins. Don't be afraid to go out and do it. You'll have great success. That's some tasty food, folks. I'm telling you. Season it at the rub you want. Glaze it at the end if you want. But it's your food. It's your barbecue. You cook it the way you want to cook it, right? You're always right when you cook. So, thank you for stopping by. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone.